The music world was shaken yesterday with the heartbreaking news that Jackson Browne, one of rock's legendary voices, has lost his son, Ethan Browne. At just 52 years old, Ethan's untimely passing has left fans and family alike in shock and mourning. Ethan Browne was more than just the son of a rock legend. He was an actor, a model, and a talented individual in his own right. The news broke when Jackson Browne, known for hits like Running on Empty, shared a message of grief on social media. Fans were devastated to hear of the loss, as Ethan's passing came as a shock to those who knew him and followed his work. Though he may not have reached the same fame as his father, Ethan carved out his own path in Hollywood. He was well known for his role in the cult classic film Hackers, a 1995 cyber thriller that earned a loyal following. Ethan's contribution to the film world might have been niche, but his impact on those who knew him was undeniable. He had a quiet but memorable presence. As of now, the exact cause of Ethan's death remains unclear. Speculation swirls, but no official statement has confirmed any details. What we do know is that this tragic loss has rocked his family and friends. Jackson, who has had his own battles with grief in the past, now faces a different kind of heartache. Losing a son is a pain no parent should ever have to experience. Friends and family have spoken out, with many offering their condolences to Jackson and the Browne family. The support from fans has been overwhelming, with messages pouring in from all corners of the world. Ethan was more than just a celebrity. He was a son, a friend, and a person who made a difference in the lives of those who knew him. While Ethan may have left us far too soon, his legacy is far from forgotten.